So we are back at it again. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. This is our U20 Championship prediction show. We'll be doing the game prediction tonight, or maybe later today, because we're gonna have a very, very busy day. But we're gonna do some predictions. This includes of probably breakout player, leading goal scorer, top player, amount of goals I concede, amount of goals I scored. And you remember the last time I did it for the Copa America, and things did not necessarily went so well. But hopefully, this time around, we might see some positives where the U20 is concerned. Last U20 championship, never looked too good, but this time around, we most definitely are looking to do something. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit subscribe button if you are here for the first time. All right, so the Jamaica U20 Championship. I don't necessarily go through the names again. All right, for the sake of persons who didn't know, goalkeeper Joshua Grant, Tawin Lynch, Alex James, Joshua Grant, New York Red Bulls, Tawin Lynch, Mount Pleasant, Alex James, Real Mona. Defenders, Romain Blake, Chicago Fires, Adrian Reid, Cavalier, Jevin Williams, Reno FC, Nation Boat Barrett, Arnett Gardens, J. Lloyd Smith, Cavalier, Rashawn Small, Portmore United. Midfielders now, Brian Burkett, Dumby Holland, Mackay Welch, Leon Orient, Alexander Bignell, Lexios SC, Fabian Reynolds, Wolverhampton FC, Christopher Ainsworth, Cavalier FC, Shadika Wizard, Arnett Garden, Evergrange, Borough FC. Forwards, Dustin Cohen, Via United, Nasharda Gibbs, Real Mona, Nilewa, FC Dallas, Ashton Gordon, Atlanta United, and Oren Watson, Chapelton Maroon. So, let me get a full detail here, full detail. So, the competition commences on Friday, July 19th. Friday, July 19th, where we see the Jamaica kickstarting the campaign versus the USA. Now, let's get into the predictions, people. We're gonna get into the predictions. So the first prediction is easiest game of the group. Write that down. Easiest game of the group. Whew. Why am I gonna put it as Cuba? You're going, let me make this clear, people, yeah? I am not God. Predictions are things that are possible outcomes, are things that people would like to likely to see, or things that are likely to happen. It don't mean say we know the future. We cannot predict the future. We don't know the future. So even though I'm saying predictions, it can go so and it can go way different from it. So as I said, I am not God, but we're still doing predictions for the enjoyment of it. So listening, people. When you got people come and say, we're not rated. So easiest game for me, for the group, I'm gonna say Cuba. Toughest game. Why am I say Cuba easiest game? Technically, we kind of normally have a better team than Cuba, most of the time on all levels. They're not really a footballing nation per se, but we normally have a better team than them on all levels. So I'm gonna say Cuba as the easiest game. Now, toughest game that I go to. People want to put in the comment section, put your predictions as well. That I go to USA. Now, why USA are the toughest game is one, the team traveled yesterday. They probably had one training session, which is today, and then now have game tomorrow. Jet lag, acclimatization, that's going to be a thing. USA has been in according to reports, they have been in Mexico over a week now, almost 2 weeks now. So they are well prepared, acclimatized, training, everything. Then now, we never put in a lot of training session or even practice games, enough practice games for the players going to this game match sharp. So for me, the team I have a basket, I carry water. So toughest game would be the first game because of lack of preparation. Now, I'm going to assume, say, based on facts, say, boy, we probably get USA out of the way as early as possible. We can now build up for the next two games. Hopefully. Just hopefully. So game predictions now. Let's jump into that. Now, I'll be doing a different prediction for that based off of how the day panned out. First game, Jamaica versus USA. Jam versus USA. Me I go say I go lose the one there. 3-0. I go say I lose the one there 3-0. That's my perspective, people. I can be wrong. I can be wrong. I know people come and say, boy, you're negative, this and that, and positive energy, all that kind of something there. I'm one of the most optimistic Reggae Boy supporters. Always about my team for win. But for this one, well, I don't know if we can see it. Next up, we have Jamaica versus Costa Rica. I'm going to say a draw. I'm going to say a 1-1 draw. And this is hopeful. I say a 1-1 draw. I think we can work with that. So maybe 4 points after we get the job done now. Jamaica versus Cuba. I say Cuba, I say 2-0 win. Or 3-1 win. 3-1 win. Yeah, I work with that. 3-1 win good. Yeah. 3-1 win good. Alright, so based off of this, goal scored, we are going to have 4 goal. Conceding 1 year so. 1 year so. That's 2. Conceding 5. Oof. I think the goals might come from multiple places through the team. Clean sheet, none. No clean sheet. So what else now? All right, so leading goal scorer. This one is interesting. Leading goal scorer. Oof. Look at my midfielder, my attackers them. Ronaldo look really, really good the last games. Them, he look very, very dangerous. Nailwa. Orien Watson. How do they score now? I'm going to say Orien Watson. Between Orien Watson, like Fabian Ronaldo, you know. I'm going to say Orien Watson. I think I'm going to take penalties. So, maybe. I think Watson and Kirky will take penalties. So, just maybe. Just maybe. I'm going to say Orien Watson. Alright, so next up we have is top performer. Alright, so I'm going to put on this. Top performer. I'm going to say Mackay Welch. I use 3 players top performer. Mackay Welch, Joshua Grant in goal, and Romain Blake. So those are my 3 top performers. Those are my 3 top performers. So now final is breakout player. Breakout player. Breakout player. Breakout player. I'm going to put Fabian Reynolds. Yes. That is a breakout player. I think that's supposed to cover everything. Yeah. That cover everything. That cover everything. I said that quick and fast. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Anyways, alright, so for persons in the comment section, you will have person in the comment section who asks about Rabina Garden, Denzel McKenzie. I do believe that you're gonna have people in the comment section who ask about the Phoenix player. I make it clear from now, yeah? We have seen situation. Well, what have happened is this, that these players would have gotten invites and the management would have turned down the invites. So that's the reason why they're not in the squad. It's unfortunate, but I just say go. Anyways, I'm sure the question will come, so make sure I'm answer it. Make sure I'm answer it. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. I think that is it. Go in the comment section. Tell me your predictions. These are easiest game Cuba, toughest game USA. Game predictions: Jamaica versus USA 3-0 in favor of USA. Jamaica versus Costa Rica 1-1 draw. Jamaica versus Cuba. Jamaica win that one 3-1. Score 4 goals. We're gonna concede 5. Clean sheet 0. Leading goal scorer Orion Watson. Top performer Mackay Walsh, Joshua Grant, and Romain Blake. That's 3 players. Breakout player, I'm gonna say Fabian Reynolds for us for this competition. Anyways, interesting to see what's gonna happen with this team and another campaign where underprepared. So we have to temper expectation where performance is concerned. But as I said, it's an interesting one. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. MG Sports TV. See you guys again. Until next time, we're out. Like, share, and subscribe. Link in the comment section. If you want, you can buy us a coffee. We'll thoroughly appreciate it if you do so. We'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Enjoy the rest of the day, people. Boom. You know what I mean?